Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, we're back again with another fantastic niche finding exercise. We're going to find you 3 fabuloso wall art printables, Christmas wall art printables that you can check out. Profitable ones, fantastic ones. And I'm also, as a bonus, I'm going to show you exactly how to find a trending wall art printable idea at the end of this video, so you can go ahead and get that passive income. But as usual, without any delay, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. And as usual, guys, please share, because we just like sharing. Do you know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's go. As usual, guys, I'm on Everbee, my go-to SEO research and all kinds of thing tool, which I love to use. Check it out, man. I'm on product analytics. Now, I'm going to show you little bits on how to find a trending one. This is Everbee. Check it out, man. Okay. So obviously, you can see the link in my description. So you can get free access to it anyways. But I'm going to show you the 3 first. I'm going to show you exactly how to find something. It's amazing, guys. Amazing. Anyways, let's start with, where are we? Yeah, man. Let's go with these 2. Let me just explain a few things about wall art and printables. Check this out, man. This is it's in demand. 60 people. What the hell is that? 60 people bought this in the last 24 hours, man. You know that look, I know I'm doing a video on Christmas wall arts, and I know it's a little bit late for this. Don't forget, I've already done Christmas stuff already. This is just to give you a flavor of the things that are selling right now, and also to give you some tips for next year. Because don't forget, I always say, when you're on Etsy and you're an Etsy seller, if you're on digital products, then you need to upload or get your digital products up and ready 4 months before the date, right? So 4 months before Christmas, get the stuff ready up there, because people come on and they do buy. Yeah. So traditionally, that's what I do. So make sure that you do the same. But these are like showing you what's selling. And also I'm going to give you like a trending one as well. But don't forget, Easter's coming up, Valentine's. I'm going to get ideas for you very soon for that. Anyways, check it out, man. It's in demand. 60 people bought in the last hour. It's a bestseller. Boom. Now, I tell you what's very popular right now is sets, right? And having a set of wall arts. Now, Christmas, they're loving it. In Halloween, they had a lot of sets which was sold really well. So you got to know and understand what the trends are. So sets are definitely a trend. And you can see here's a beautiful set right now of this one, which is fabulous little set of these beautiful kind of oil painting, beautiful wall arts. And you can see nice little landscape scenery, snowy Christmas trees, reindeers, Santa Claus, different ones. So there's, what is it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I believe, there. And it says Antiqua and a bonus art as well. Yeah? It's always good to give a little bonus as well. Give something what people, you know, actually don't expect. And then you've got here different sizes, which is good to have. So basically, you're trying to give the customer variations, right? It's got a little video here. I presume it's a little slideshow. Very nice. Remember, make sure you got a video on your listings, guys, because it does help conversion. So yeah, look, with sets are the way forward. If you're not doing any sets in wall art, then you need to start doing it, honestly, because that is what is selling right now. Definitely. And then I'll give you some other tips of the kind of things that you should be doing. Now, this vintage style is also quite popular. This vintage style in Halloween, those sets, they were very popular. They literally flew off the shelf and sold really well. So definitely look at vintage style print sets, moody kind of designs, that dark sort of style also sell very well, right? And on the listing, what we got these nice little mock-ups to show you what it would look like, seasonal charm, blah blah blah. Then very nice, look, shows you a really nice mock-up. One, provide free custom sizes for your frames, right? Good little information. It's always good to have info there, right? So I like this one. I do like the way they're doing this. So let's have a look. Let's just check it out, mate. How much is it actually making, and how old is the listing? So check it out. It is making approximately $8,969. It has 839 sales in the last month. That's crazy. Only a 1 month old listing, mate. Mad. Monster. 53 reviews in the last month. Gosh, that is really cool, man. That's solid. Remember, I'm using Everbee again just to kind of analyze this. So like I said, check it out at the bottom. Amazing. That is pretty hot. I would say that is hot. 1 month old listing, right? 1 month old listing. That is pretty hot, guys. But like I said, these moody style wall arts, this kind of sets, they do really well at the minute. And you know, I believe that's the way forward at the moment. It's trending. Now, let's look at the second one, man. Check it out. What is this one? What's this one? Oi, wait, what's it doing? Oh no, I got it wrong. Did I get it wrong? What's it doing? Wait, sorry. Yes, here we go. Apologies. Here's another one. Now, like I said, I'm not going to show you all sets, but it just shows you how popular these are. If you're going to sell at the moment some wall art printables, you got to do sets. And you know, before it was set of 3, people loved set of 3, then it was like set of 6. At the moment, I would say there's set of 9s that are popular, and I did a video on it. Look at this one. This one's 10 plus actually. So it's got this, again, this vintage rustic kind of feel to it, you know, with what they've done is they've kind of done those elements within Christmas. So you got the snowman up in the top, you got Christmas tree with presents, you got the wreath, you got the candles, you got the reindeer and Santa. You know, they've kind of focused on elements of Christmas in that kind of vintage style, a really nice style. You got the presents there. Yeah, so they've got quite a few here. And it says, what did it say? 10 plus that you get? Let me just click on these. Again, showing you what they look like. Let's have a look at the video very quickly. I like videos, man, because like I said, it's very important to have it. Set of 10 plus, it says. Set of 10 plus. Vintage, see, look, another keyword. Easy to download. Print it and frame it. Elevate and space. What does elevate your space? Okay. Yeah, nice little easy to understand video, right? Tells you about sizes, I believe, there, because sizes, wall art size are important. Tells you what you need to do. Good instructions. No physical items will be shipped, right? Nice and clear. And again, as usual, in the product description, again, that is very important, especially with wall art, to give it those important information about sizing, because this is probably the main question that people have with these wall art printables. Sorry. Yep. I mean, madness. That is crazy. That is absolute. It's in demand. The MP bought in the last 24 hours. Isn't on sale right now, so you got to take that into account when looking at how much it's making. So you know the sale does take, you got to take that into account. But this is really good. But like I said, these are the tips that we're getting by looking at existing ones. You get good tips. Actually, did we look at how much it's making? We didn't even look at that. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, 3,358. Fantastic. 1 month old listing again, right? 224. So literally these guys put this listing up a month ago, 30 days ago. Imagine that. And now it's making 3,358. It is on a sale, like I said, so remember that. 224 sales, 11 reviews. That's really good. That's really good. So, you know, like I said, sets to sell, vintage, rustic, that kind of thing, elements. Now, I want to show you a single wall art printable, yeah, because I showed you sets, but I wanted to demonstrate that, you know, single ones also can sell. And it's about focusing on an element within Christmas. So it could be a portrait of a snowman kind of printable, presents like you saw. So this one obviously is Santa Claus. Again, that traditional looking Santa Claus. You got these mock-ups, again, to show you what it would look like in its environment, just in case you want to buy it, you want to see what it would look like. So these mock-ups are very, very important, obviously, if you're going to do these. It's in demand. 3 people bought in the last 24 hours. It's a bestseller, guys. Again, 60% off on this one. So it's a Santa portrait, vintage style. Again, vintage. See that vintage style? Now, it's not a bundle, or it's not a set, which you know would sell good. It's a single one, so obviously the profits are not going to be as much. It's a 1 month old listing, making 1,442. Just a reminder, it is on a sale, so it's not going to make as much as that. 206 monthly sales. Well, basically 206 were sold in the last month, $7. Well, when it's on full price. 16 reviews, man. So not too shabby. Now again, using Everbee, I want to look at certain keywords that it might be ranking for. So you got Christmas decoration, which is on a low keyword score, but it's still kind of pushing it a little bit. You got cottage core decor, you got seasonal decor, you got winter holiday decor. So obviously this is something that'll be used for, you know, for decor. And then you got Santa Claus print, which is a score of 20, 275 people search it every month. Okay. So these are, it's spread out, and using these words would be in the title to help it rank, obviously, right? You can see some of the keywords there. So those are the 3 Christmas printables wall arts that are doing very well right now. And again, we've seen some keywords: the vintage, the rustic, the sets, the portraits of singular items as well helps. These are the tips. When you analyze and see what's selling, what's doing well, especially when they're being uploaded quite recently, it really helps you understand what can work. And this is why we do an analysis. Now, after doing that analysis, I'll jump onto Everbee, my go-to tool, which I love to use. Check out the link in my description. Free access. So this is what I'm going to do. Where am I going? Right. So what I do is, this is how I do it, right? So I like to go to Everbee, right? Let me just do this very quickly. I like to go to Everbee, and you guys know, those that know me know, I like to do my analysis. I do reverse engineering. I always do science, right? I always like to see what works, and then I find what works, then I design what works. Okay, so prints. I'm going to say Christmas prints just because that you can do many different combination of keywords just to see what's there, right? So Christmas prints is usually going to bring up the wall arts, right, that I want, the printables. Yeah, and then what I do is, this is what I do. So I would go to Everbee. Once you get Everbee, what you do is you can see that on the side you got different kind of tools, so research tools. You got product analytics, and that is where I found those amazing examples, which is there. I'll show you very quickly. There's product analytics, and I can find so many different types of wall arts printables. And the reason why I chose these recent ones is because it's good to see what's working quickly, right? And so it shows me the views, the average reviews, shop age as well, visibility score, which is important, conversion, which is very, very important as well, because it gives you an idea of what converts well, total shop sales. I mean, the information is amazing, you know, what category it's in. So you can use it to really analyze and drill down and see what is actually working currently. And then it gives you tips and ideas of what you can actually create, right? So then what you do is, once you do your product analytics, like I've just shown you, you'd go into keyword research. So on the side, you've got shop analyzer, keyword research, my listings, Etsy calculator, optimizing, and Everbee email, which I've got a video on. That's fantastic. It's going to help you get those repeat customers. Got to get that. But anyway, I'm on keyword research right now very quickly, and I typed in Christmas prints, right? You saw it at the top. Now, 4,252 people typed that exact keyword in to Etsy search bar, and the competition is massive, 1,467,000. Crazy. So obviously that's not going to help me much. Now I'm going to filter. So I'll go to filter, which is there. And I will want to keep the Christmas. I want to keep Christmas print, right, as the keyword, as part of the search, right? So they can add whatever it is to it. Now, volume wise, I'm going to say minimum of 50 people who are searching for a particular keyword, and I'm also going to say a keyword score of 100. Now, keyword score meaning how good that keyword score is with regards to if you want to rank or you want to get yourself seen in terms of saturation. So look, I've basically just done this, and this is where it's about investigating. Gives you like more hints and tips. So I can see right now as I go down, I'm getting some ideas. Look at this. I'll give you just a quick example. Look, so you got Christmas printful. That's slightly different. Christmas printful set of 3. Now I need to also make sure that the spelling is correct, because this is important too. Make sure you got the right kind of spelling for the thing. So give you a quick example. When someone types in Christmas print wall art decor set, right? That term, 363 people search for that term, right? And there's a competition of 1,253. That's fantastic, guys. To get ranked on that is fantastic. It's got a good keyword score, 290. So, you know, the tip is this. You're getting hints. So I know that set is a good thing to probably get into, because whenever I see set as a keyword in terms of the Christmas, here's another one. Look, Christmas printable wall art set. Although the 2 words are together, wall and art, but that's what people are typing in. These are little hints to tell you what you could do, right? So guys, what you do is, knowing that you know that the set works as a print set, then what you can do is you can do a combination of words. So for example, from looking at my research, I can see that things like single items within the Christmas niche, so Santa, say, if I type in Santa print set in the keywords at the bottom and then see what comes up, I've seen that now when I look at Santa print set, there's actually a decent volume of 146 people that will type in onto the Etsy search bar Santa print set. And then you can see that there's a keyword score of 40. Now, obviously, ideally, I want a bigger, better keyword score. But look, it just shows you how you can increase the keyword score, get more visibility, get more unsaturation by typing in slightly different keywords. So now, looking at that, I might do something else. It might be Christmas tree print set, right? Christmas tree print set. I might do reindeer print set. You know, like I'll go onto individual items and just see how that works. Because it looks like if you niche down further, there could be other things. So look, I can find another thing here, which is, look, Christmas tree print set of 3. 68 people type it in. There's a competition of 4,000, which is quite a lot, to be honest with you. A keyword score of 20. But you can see that it literally tells me what people are typing in, so that you're able to inform you. Now, really what I'm looking at a way better keyword score, possibly 100 plus, so that I can get into it, right? And that's what you do. You think about keywords that you could do. So, you know, instead of Christmas tree, it might be gnome, it might be reindeer, it might be Christmas presents. And this is how you actually find that amazing nugget that you can find through this kind of research. And this is what we do. And this is what people do to get very quickly ranked, very quickly get that passive income, is by doing your keyword research. And this is how to do it. Now, like I said, if you want to actually go into deeper, or you want to actually go into this where you just put, where you can actually open it up a bit, what I suggest you do is you could do Christmas print set as your keywords, and then just go down and set what your minimum search you would like and what your minimum keyword score is. And you can even put in how much your minimum competition is, right? And then you can see that I'll get loads and loads of different potential keywords which I can start looking through. And then personally what I'll do is I'll start jotting down on a piece of paper some things that could be profitable, right? And I can already see stuff like this. Look, Christmas gallery wall print set download, and then just literally, this is how it's like an investigation guy. Honestly, it's so cool because you can find those in literally half an hour. You start finding some potential designs that you could do. But this is the process that you need to go through, guys. On Everbee, check out link free access. Link is in my description. Check it out, guys. If you did like the video and if you did find value, don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget, check out, I've got videos on wall arts as well, different wall art sizes, how to do it, how to get it prepped, how to get it ready. So do check them out, please. My playlist on wall arts is there, so it can get you going and make that amazing passive income. But as usual, I shall see you on the next video. Take care.